Alright everyone, so today we're going to be doing the Tummo Breath. So this is something we do before we get in the ice baths, and good for cold exposure, heating the body up, really oxygenating the body, the blood. So we're going to start up by breathing in and then out. So you can do this for about a minute straight, maybe up to 3 minutes, and that will really get the body flowing. So we'll do a little bit here.
And what you'll notice here is that I'm breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, and I found this is the best way to fill the body the most and try to fill up the belly while you're doing this breathing as well.
I like to start out fast and slow it down to go deeper.
And so I found that when you start off fast and then slow it down, you're getting a lot of oxygen into the body and the blood. So by starting off fast, you're really pumping and fueling, and then by the end, as you're slowing down, you're getting more into that parasympathetic state. So as we're entering into the cold water, we don't want to be huffing and puffing. We want to be nice, calm, and relaxed.
You might start to feel a little lightheaded, feel like your hands may be tingling, arms may be tingling. That's the sign that the oxygen is getting into those parts of your body. So try that for a minute.